Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the dollar yen, I still think this looks like five waves, and I still don't really think it's over. I still think we got at least one more push up, maybe to the 100, or retest the 78.6 before we make that bigger, more significant push to the downside. So, heading down to the weekly time frame. I think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're in subdivisions of a wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of looks like it's making a fifth wave extension by the looks of it. And like I said, I think it's likely to go up to the 78, maybe even 100% before we get a break of structure to the downside and a continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, I think this is a 3. I think the wave 4 is already over, and I think we're going to just keep on going up, and we're going to make a wave 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like just like what I said was going to happen, did end up happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A or wave 1. I think it's a wave 1. A, three waves up. B, yeah, it's a higher high, but that's most likely a running crescent, like a running flat. And it is five waves down. Definitely not the most nice looking trend, but definitely an ABC. I think it's probably not an ABC. I think it's probably more likely a 1, 2. And I think we're probably getting ready to make a move up for a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave 5. So, keeping all that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't try to go long right now. I would definitely have to wait patiently. I don't know if it's going to pull back now like this or if it's going to drift up more and then pull back later on. But I do know when I do see a pullback, that's definitely where I'm going to be looking to get in, is at the end of these pullbacks, just like I've been doing for basically years now on the yen pairs, because these yen pairs are in a 4 year uptrend. I am doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single correction I see, at the end of every single pullback I see, for the continuation of this big trend that's been going on for at least 4 years now. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.